in every thread of every garment. The past is embodied and the present is represented. Every thread tells a story of ancient people, its roots firmly rooted in a great land. The threads of the abaya tell a story of pride and authenticity, and the threads of the thobe tell a history of glory and heritage. And in order for us to remain on the path of majesty and the legacy and prestige to continue, Panasonic has made us washing machines with special programs for washing thobe and abaya. Abaya wash protects its details and thobe wash maintains its whiteness. Panasonic washing machines, tough on stains, gentle on fabrics. Heritage meets innovation.